Unit tests are great, but they cover only part of your code. Another interesting category of tests is integration testing. Using integration tests, you can test collaboration of objects, methods for accessing database, etc. If you use Spring, it's very easy. In Spring, you have a service or repository like this service class, site service, that connects to database and performs some calls. Now I want to test these methods, list site and save site. I've already created a test case. First, I must add Spring Runner using add run with Spring JUnit for class runner class. Next, I must specify where is XML configuration file on disk, which is this XML file. There is a connection to sample database. Add context configuration, and this file is in class path. Test context XML. I also strongly suggest to add transactional annotation to your test suite. Thanks to this annotation, after each test will be automatically called rollback. You can also call rollback on your own using annotation at rollback. And now this test suite is now like a Spring Bean. You can use annotation at autowired to inject Spring Beans, and I will inject an instance of a class under test. I will run this test to see that this would pass because I did not fail in here. But as you can see, the Spring context is initialized when I run this test. Now I will test these methods. Method list sites. And I know that in my database there are five sites in database, and I will test this method save site. For this I will create a new site. I will call tested method save site, and then I will call another method get site to get this site's name and compare them. Alright, this should work. An extension of this test would be to test all methods that are defined in site service class. And as you can see, all tests passed.